Your Wi-Fi feels slow, unstable, or weak, even though you're paying for a fast internet plan. Videos buffer, pages load slowly, and the signal keeps dropping in certain rooms. Most people immediately blame their internet provider, or think their phone or laptop is the problem. But in many cases, the real issue is something much simpler. It's your router placement. Where you place your router has a massive impact on Wi-Fi speed, stability, and coverage. And unfortunately, most people place it in the worst possible spot without realizing it. Routers don't magically push signal only where you want it. Wi-Fi signals spread outward in all directions, like ripples in water. So if your router is hidden in the wrong place, a huge portion of that signal is wasted. Let's fix that. First, always place your router in a central location. Many people put their router in a corner of the house, near the entrance, or wherever the cable first comes in. The problem is, when the router sits in a corner, half of its signal is pushed outside your living space. A central position allows Wi-Fi to spread evenly to every room. If possible, place it near the middle of your apartment or house, not next to outer walls. This single change alone can dramatically improve coverage. Second, keep your router elevated. Wi-Fi signals travel better downward and outward than upward. If your router is sitting on the floor, the signal gets blocked by furniture, walls, and even people moving around. Place it on a table, shelf, or wall-mounted bracket. Higher placement helps the signal travel farther and reach devices more evenly. Third, avoid metal objects and electronics. Metal reflects Wi-Fi signals, and electronics create interference. Placing your router near a TV, microwave, speaker, or large mirror can quietly kill your signal strength. Microwaves are especially bad. When they're running, they can cause noticeable Wi-Fi drops if the router is too close. Keep your router at least a few feet away from large electronics whenever possible. Fourth, keep your router in an open space. Avoid putting it inside cabinets, drawers, or behind thick furniture. Wi-Fi does not like obstacles. Wood, concrete, and thick walls absorb signal. The more open air around your router, the stronger and cleaner the signal becomes. If you can see your router clearly, that's usually a good sign. Fifth, pay attention to antennas, if your router has them. Don't point all antennas in the same direction. A simple trick is to place one antenna vertically and another horizontally. This helps cover devices on different levels and angles. After making these adjustments, restart your router. Then test your speed again and walk around your space. Most people notice stronger signal, fewer dead zones, more stable connections, and smoother streaming, all without installing apps, changing settings, or buying new equipment. This works for apartments, houses, dorm rooms, and even small offices. Before upgrading your internet plan or buying a new router, always fix placement first. It's the easiest and most overlooked Wi-Fi upgrade. If you want more practical tech fixes that actually work in real life, make sure to check out other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.